for being with us. Our top story tonight, the wildfires near Los Angeles take a deadly toll. At least 10 people so far have been killed by the smoke and flames that consumed entire neighborhoods. President Joe Biden canceled his trip to Italy and the Vatican so that he could monitor the developments. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen.
Tracy, Vice President Kamala Harris also canceled a foreign trip. She joined the president in a wildfire briefing today here at the White House. The administration says it's going to keep helping even after the fires are put out.
Helicopters drop water on the wildfires, trying to keep them from spreading. But many buildings already burned. Palisades Elementary Charter School reduced to rubble. About 10,000 homes also gone.
I just drove by my house just to get some closure, and yeah, it's rubble. There's nothing there. My daughter, who was born there, and she's 23 now, and said, "Dad, get something, just pick up something." And there's literally nothing.
I have nothing. I can't even teach, and I'm a first responder. I teach people to save lives, and I couldn't even save my house.
Before and after images show piles of ash where houses once stood. Firefighters say their efforts were made far more difficult by strong winds.
What we saw in the first couple of days of this fire was something like I have never seen. It was 60, 70 miles an hour, and we were just chasing our tail, trying to get people out of the way so we wouldn't lose any lives.
President Joe Biden assembled a team of officials at the White House to monitor the federal response to the wildfires.
The scope, the scale, and the erratic movements of these fires is truly unprecedented. I mean, it's truly unprecedented.
And FEMA Administrator Deanne Criswell spoke at today's White House press briefing.
Recovery from these fires is going to be complex. I've seen many disasters throughout my 4 years in this role. This is certainly one of the worst that I have seen.
And President Biden praised firefighters who've been working around the clock to rescue people, evacuate neighborhoods, and put those fires out. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.